Hey there, biohackers. Welcome to Peptide Therapy 101. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of peptides, specifically BPC 157 and CJC 11295, and how they can transform your cells. First things first, what exactly are peptides? Peptides are short chains of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. Think of them as tiny messengers that tell your body how to function more effectively. When used correctly, peptide therapy can offer a variety of treatments, from muscle growth to accelerated healing. Let's start with BPC 157. This peptide is derived from a protein found in our stomachs. It's been hailed for its potential to promote healing and repair tissues. Imagine you've got a nagging injury. Injecting BPC 157 can speed up the healing process, reduce inflammation, and even improve gut health. It's almost like having a supercharged recovery system. Now, let's move on to CJC 11295. This is a synthetic peptide that acts on the pituitary gland, stimulating the release of growth hormone. More growth hormone means better muscle growth, improved metabolism, and enhanced recovery. It's like giving your body the green light to build and repair like never before. Combine CJC 1295 with a healthy lifestyle, and you'll see significant improvements in your physical performance and overall wellness. So how does peptide therapy work at the cellular level? When peptides enter your bloodstream, they bind to specific receptors on the surface of your cells. This triggers a cascade of biological responses, helping your cells function optimally. By targeting specific pathways, peptides can enhance processes like tissue repair, hormone production, and even cognitive function. But here's the kicker: peptide therapy isn't just about treating injuries or boosting muscle growth. It has a wide range of applications, from improving skin health and reducing signs of aging to enhancing immune function and mental clarity. Peptides can be a game changer for your overall health. Now, before you get too excited, remember that peptide therapy should always be done under the guidance of a healthcare professional. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and the right dosage and combination will depend on your individual needs. All right, biohackers, that's a wrap on Peptide Therapy 101. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more biohacking insights. Until next time, keep hacking your biology and stay healthy. Catch you in the next one.